one-on-one. Gotta make it funny. I feel like this is a really serious moment. Because of how serious it is, I have to crack a joke. Fuel to the flame. Testing. Oh, can't hear myself. All these projections are drugs. It's gonna be right here, and I'm gonna stand right here. He put tape right here, so I know where to stand.
It's a real thing. What you talking about?
You gotta stand a certain proximity. There's boards, sound. What are these?
Sound panels.
Sound panels to make
Acoustic
sure
panels.
that everything is where it needs to be. This gonna put me on the charts. It's gonna make me famous. This album gonna make me famous. Remember this basement here. I'm gonna always record here, even if I become famous. I'm gonna come here on what Lotto say? All black suburban, pulling up 10 deep, 1 deep. That's just gonna be fly out here. I need to record. Boom. If they got Timbaland and Justin Timberlake recording me, DJ Mustard, DJ Drama, DJ Khaled ready to record me, I'm still gonna come here. Manifesting it. Still gonna come here. Why? Because family sticks together. And I feel comfortable recording with him than I do DJ Khaled, DJ Drama. Or Justin Timberlake. Or Timberland. Love them. All. That's it for my TED Talk. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, all circuits are busy. Please try your call again later.
Hendrix.
And why should I need what to have to say? Alright. I'm there. You talk to the people.
What they're doing the process. A lot of people been liking when I show the whole
Oh, okay, I'm just saying.
even if we're fixing the thing. I see technical issues. I realize people love it when people be having technical issues. This shows humanity.
Everybody gotta go through.
And I just strongly don't like it.
That's true.
Because I'm a perfectionist. So if you get my technical issues problem.
I'm gonna drop your watch again. So you wanted to follow me.
Diamonds are forever. Y'all don't work on the 4th, right?
I'm off on the 4th and the 5th. I work this week though.
Obviously, I wouldn't be me if I didn't have no popcorn. I love me a good popcorn. This one was a Chicago mix with the caramel and the cheddar. So that one was obviously hitting the way that it was supposed to. And I'm just examining, watching, and eating while Reason sets up his sanctuary to set up for me to actually record and get things cracking. Oh, phone done dropped on the ground. Technical issues. I think I'm just gonna let some of my songs play in the background, but I hope y'all enjoy.
Toria. I like that. Will's got the heat. Walking around here, big pressure, scalp free, chest piece tatted so they know who the queen be. Take the globe over by every country, star my name on it so they know that's all me. Move the same in real life, no trolling. Hung up my mask, but baby, I'm still evolving. Warrior in my blood, try you a fucking goofy. Pick me ass bitches thought they was gon' cancel me. Melanin sun kiss fountain and you drowning. Claim they'll shoot or stay quiet when it's hot shit. Power from this tongue and baby, I claim that. The sun shine bright, big star, an Aquarius. Be unique, never a follow, I lead, bitch. Finish line and your running juice wasn't quick. High victory, the name, so making it is decent. G-O-A-T, making bitches sick.
All these projections are making me insane. I just needed love, I'm really tired of the pain. If I'm a self-absorbed lying narcissist, don't get mad when I leave due to causing your heartache. No matter what you do, you can't make the unhappy happy. They'll find every reason to pick at you and get snappy. Kept it loving like too long, the disrespect was getting violent. Used to being in the story as the bad guy. Finally realized all of that was a lie. The reality is I kept a lot of y'all from dying. Gave my heart to plenty of people just to hear they been playing both sides. Shit hurt me so much. Cut off all the people I love dearly, but making me feel like I wasn't enough. The only one to say, making me out to be the needed one. It's alright. They never appreciate you until you're gone. Pointing fingers at you like you're the problem, when all along you weren't wrong at all. This is what happens when you love the unloved. They never appreciate you until you're gone. Pointing fingers at you like you're the problem, when all along you weren't wrong at all. This is what happens when you love the unloved. Made me feel like I was all alone. You mean snappy? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'll figure. You mean like happy, like say it?
No, those lines.
I guess. Hurt people, so I was trying to keep. Okay, I you mean like the insane? All these projections are making me insane. I just needed love, I'm really tired of the pain. If I'm a self-absorbed lying narcissist, don't get mad when I leave you to causing your heartache. No matter what you do, you can't make the unhappy happy.
Yeah, right.
Just like that?
Happy. You got it. You got it. Because the last one, it wasn't. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, got you. Ooh.
Pronunciation.
Got you.
Separation on those.
Got you.
One more. Four, three, two.
All these projections are making me insane. I just needed love, I'm really tired of the pain. If I'm a self-absorbed lying narcissist, don't get mad when I leave due to causing your heartache. No matter what you do, you can't make the unhappy happy. They'll find every reason to pick at you and get snappy.
Oh, look at that. Don't you hear the difference?
I do.
All right.
I can hear the difference in it.
Talking to somebody, that's what it means. Cool. These are things you'll catch. Okay, let's, what's next after that? We'll do a few of the other ones.
Yeah, I guess.